morning and happy hiking Saturday.
Hi.
Well,
Yep.
it's more like late morning.
Yeah. We are hiking to our trailhead, so it's a hike before a hike.
Pre-hike.
Today's gonna be a little different, like we do sometimes. We're gonna do 3 different trails or so, maybe 4.
You know.
So we're gonna go from Killen Creek up to the PCT and take a left and
hopefully find a waterfall.
Yeah, and then down Muddy Meadows and then back to our campsite. So we're gonna do a big loop, and Mount Adams is about right there. So
hopefully she shows herself today because it's a little foggy out.
Overcast. So
I think she'll clear off.
Let's go.
All right, let's do this.
And up Killen Creek Trail we go.
Update.
2 miles in.
800 feet in elevation gain.
Yeah, beautiful.
Still got 10 miles to go.
Something like that. And cleared off. So
yeah, it's beautiful out.
We're almost to the meadow part and shot of Mount Adams. And yep.
All right,
let's go.
Let's trek on.
Ooh. And we have made it to the Pacific Crest Trail.
We made it to the PCT.
Yep.
Again. For the third time.
Third time.
Now, we're actually going to go hike the PCT.
Yeah.
Not the whole thing.
3.4 miles. Yep. Alright, having some lunch. And then we go that way.
To the PCT.
Go that way. Alright, now we are on the officially Pacific Crest Trail, northbound. We are officially no bows. Or whatever. I think you need a trail name now.
Oh no.
Little section of the PCT that we're doing is freaking amazing.
So gorgeous. The views are insane.
Yeah, love it. This is the spot where you can take the Highline Trail, and it actually follows the mountain around until you hit the Yakima Nations area. Yep, but we're not going that way. We're gonna stick on the PCT, head down to Muddy Meadows.
Whew.
Excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Cool, look at this. We found the lake. So pretty much after the waterfall, it's all forest.
Oh, which is nice.
But
Shaded.
it's beautiful. Easy. Finding out where this Muddy Meadows is.
It's got to be somewhere.
Look for the mud on the left, aye?
Finally make it.
What is this? Where are we at? We have officially made it to Muddy Meadows Trail. 2.9 down, and then 1.1 down on the road, going back to the...
4 more. We got this.
All right, yep.
We made it to Muddy Meadows.
Yep.
Or Mosquito Meadows, as we have now called it.
It's not bad right now, but yeah. This is where we were last June, and we saw those 2 bears. It's right out there. Pretty awesome.
Great view of the mountain.
Yep. Probably my favorite spot.
Now we got a mile back to camp.
Mile and a half.
Mile and a half back to camp.
0.4 to the road, and then 1 mile to the campsite.
All right, let's do this. Let's finish this out and go get some cocktails.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, from Killen. Yep. And we are back on the road that we started how many hours ago?
6.
Huh?
6 hours ago.
Cool. Oh, look at it go. Oh, she's got zero ass yeah, we just gotta go up the hill.
Hi there.
Where are you?
We're done.
Yeah.
We're exhausted.
Yeah.
We may have overdid it a little bit.
As
you know,
usual.
as usual.
Amazing hike.
We ended up doing 12.2 miles, 2,100 foot elevation gain in 5.5 hours moving time.
Yep.
So
Amazing.
it was, I mean, it was great. It was such a beautiful hike.
Yeah. Killen to PCT.
The PCT, oh my gosh, to Muddy Meadows. It was so pretty.
Yep. Amazing.
Yeah, but we are exhausted, so, and we're really dirty. We're ready to go get cleaned up, find ourselves a cocktail.
Yep.
A cocktail hour.
Yep. So, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us today on our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
We got a hike to the trailhead. It's a hike before a hike. Yeah. It is quite the challenge to try to look for tree stumps or rocks sticking out of the trail and looking around for any kind of wildlife or something. Challenge. What?
I gotta pee.
What?
Oh,
Doesn't matter
well
if
worth it.
we get there at midnight. It's gonna be cocktail hour.
A whole hour.
A whole hour filled with cocktails.
Brought to you by Killen.
Whatever. Cut this out. All right.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
All right. Yep.